In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to easily download and install Epson L3216 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear in this window. And once it's here, please double tap under the best match to continue. And in a few seconds, you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser itself. Now from here, you need to proceed here at the search bar and type for Epson space L3216 space driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the list of results. Okay, so please proceed to the first one. Click on it under epson.com and kindly wait until you would be navigated to the page itself. And once you are here, please click on downloads and kindly wait until it would be successfully refreshed and until you can see an option where you can choose your OS or your operating system, which is the Windows 11. So once here, it will automatically detect the operating system. Just scroll down and locate web drivers. Click on it and click on download aligning to it. So it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept and in that way you will be able to download it. In my case, I have already downloaded it, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once done, please copy and move that here to the desktop. So once it's here, please make a right click or it can simply double tap to unzip or extract the file, or it can simply make a right click as what I have said earlier and use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So go with extract to L3216. Now, please wait until you can get a new file folder that is being created here at the desktop, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once it's here, then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings window, please navigate to the left pane and locate the Bluetooth and devices. Click on it and please choose for printers and scanners and click on add device. So kindly wait until you get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and wait until a new window would show up in the Windows screen where we can manually add our printer. So once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. Click on next. And from here, click on have disk and click on Pro. Our extract has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. Click on the desktop. Please scroll down on the list and please choose the extracted file. Choose this one, double tap once again, and eventually it will show you three drivers. Just select any of this function similarly, so just that's completely fine, and it will be placed here. Click on it and please rename that into L3216. You may wonder why it appear here 3210, because 3210 works for 3216 as well. Okay, so you just have to don't be confused about it. So click on next so that you can start the installation and kindly wait until this would be finished. It will only take few minutes to be done. Okay, so once done, please click on next and go with finished. Okay. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the Epson L3316 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.